So here's how to trade stars on Monopoly Go. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to sign into your account. After signing into your account, now if you have enough stars for trade off, then you have to simply go to the albums option. After that, click on this box. Now here you will be able to view all of your stars. On Monopoly Go, trading stars is not possible. However, what you can do is you can buy these treasure boxes from your earned stars. In these treasure boxes, if you win any stickers or cards, you can simply trade these cards or stickers. But there is no direct way to trade stars. So to trade the stars, you can purchase other items. So that's how to trade stars in Monopoly Go.